Hi everyone, we got some package here. And today, samahan niyo ako to open this. This is something I really use on my training and even races. And speaking of races, if you're interested to join one this coming weekend, there will be a second leg of the Discovery Trail by Runner PH. So, if interested kayong sumali, just drop by sa Runner or Toby store. Meron silang in-store registration. Pwede pa kayong sumali. It will be happening this coming Sunday. So, kita-kits tayo doon. Let's go back to this package. Buksan na natin. By the way, this is from Alki PH. Let's see. Wow. So, this is a best. Running best. Perfect for my trail training and races. Magaan lang siya. And, as you can see, breathable. So, see-through and you can put hydration bladder here sa likod if you want. You can put your personal stuff here. Like yung mga malalaki like jacket or wallet. Pwede nyong ilagay dito. And secured kasi it has a zipper. So isa-isahin natin yung kanyang mga bulsa. And side pocket. Meron din siya both sides. So you can put your other stuff here. So basically you can use this for ultra. But for some trail training na ginagawa namin, this is perfect. Magagamit ko pa rin siya kasi ang dami niyong compartment. And usually, pagka mga ganyan training, marami akong dinadala. Sa front pocket niya, so marami siyang compartment. So here, we have a lagay ng bottle. You can put your bottle here. And then, it has a pocket also na mayroong zipper, both side. Secure natin yung phone natin or anything na valuable. Pwede natin ilagay sa loob. In here, sa front pa lang, you will have at least 6 pocket. So let's fit in para makita natin kung fit nga ba sa akin to. So basically, madali siyang i-attach and i-remove. I-unhook mo lang. And then, you can adjust kasi may mga butas to. Yeah, let's try it. Let's fit this in. Oh, perfect. I think I got the perfect size. This is medium. Meron siyang small lock dito. Ayan. Yan. Oh, okay. Perfect. Perfect fit. Ang ganda. So, I can use this coming weekend. I have a trail event. I can feel naman na breathable siya kasi yung tela manipis pero meron siyang pad sa likod. You can feel the comfort while wearing it. Oh, look at this. Perfect. Ganda. Alright. Ganda. Perfect fit. Alright. If you want to get one, if you're interested to check this out, check Alki PH on IG. Ilalagay ko din yung link dyan sa comment section for you to check out. That's all for today. I'm excited to use this. See you on the other video wearing this one on the actual event. Bye-bye.